Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Liberian collard greens. To begin, gather all your ingredients. You'll need one large bunch of fresh collard greens, which is typically about 2 pounds. For the rich, smoky flavor, prepare 1 pound of smoked turkey or your favorite smoked meat. Don't forget your aromatics: 1 large onion, 2 vibrant bell peppers, and 4 cloves of fresh garlic. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get everything prepped for cooking. First, thoroughly wash your collard greens to remove any grit, then chop them into 1-inch pieces. Next, dice your smoked turkey into small, bite-sized portions. This helps distribute its delicious flavor throughout the dish. Finally, mince your 4 cloves of garlic and finely chop your 1 large onion and 2 bell peppers. Proper preparation is key to a truly flavorful and well-textured dish. It's time to start cooking. Begin by sautéing your diced smoked turkey in a large pot until it's lightly browned and wonderfully fragrant. Then, add your chopped onions, bell peppers, and minced garlic, cooking them until they become soft and translucent. Next, gradually introduce the chopped collard greens to the pot, stirring frequently as they wilt down. Finally, cover and simmer the mixture for at least 1 hour, allowing all those incredible flavors to meld beautifully. Almost done. Now it's time to season your collard greens to perfection. Add salt, black pepper, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for a little kick. Taste and adjust the seasonings as needed to suit your personal preference. Once seasoned, your delicious Liberian collard greens are ready to be served hot. They pair wonderfully with fluffy white rice or traditional fufu, making a hearty and satisfying meal for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.